with warm gyoza is the best! So, what's that?
That is what we call a pixie dragon, and it's a very rare find indeed.
It's a dragon? Try it. Wow, dragons are pretty cute when they're small like this.
Do not allow its small stature to deceive you. Not only are these beasts surprisingly quick, they are deadly combatants and masters in every type of magic.
What the? Why is it on my head? Hello, I was nice to you!
Hey, that stuff is crazy delicious! Give me more!
Who just said that?
It's obvious. That pixie dragon has decided to join our party as your familiar.
Familiar?